Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you the best Valentine Days design step by step guide. Number 1 nail art design is cut out hearts. Nail artist Emily Zing knows there's no need to choose between French tips and festive hearts. If you can believe it, she hand painted that perfect heart. Here's her tactic. I place two dots next to each other to create the top of the heart. With a thin detail brush, I drew a V below the dots and filled it in. Just make sure your base coat is dry before adding the heart on top. And yes, that's also works as the relationship metaphor. Let's move to design number 2, espresso hearts. Nail artist Jessica Bird turns this look. Espresso hearts are rich tone manicure. This celebrates Cupid without restoring the or traditional V-Day colors. I could also double as chocolate truffle hearts, caramel hearts, or for those who are really typing, trying to send a hint to their significant other, leather handboard bagged hearts. Let's move to next design, pop of pink. If flaming hearts and on the nose nail charms your style, Goldstein has just the manicure for you. She created the illusion of a reverse French style, told you get to reverse French by first painting two coats of a base color over the full nail. Once the pink layer as the slumber party on dried, she added two coats of red OPI in Viva OPI, leaving just a millimeter or two of visible pink. Let's talk to style number next. Get your groove on. The retro vibe here evokes a lava lamp. At the very least, takes a trendy design and uses Cupid's favorite color to meet the theme. Nail artist Diana Lazy breaks down how she drew the artful stripe shapes. I use a detail brush with red polish to create this thrill. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you like the video. Bye.